Hello YouTube, Mitchell99 Mega here, my friend Jordan99 Mega here. Hello. Gonna do some pack openings, just gonna put it on full screen. Right. Just go for a 7,500 pack first. Oh wait, we'll show you. We did sell Park for extra. We did buy him for 13,750 coins. He got bought for 16k, so we made a bit of profit, but not much. Well, still good though. All counts. So let's get back to the pack opening. So we get someone good. Don't look at it when it goes round. Oh my gosh. Key contract. Oh, he got good pace, he has. Right, drink yourself. Not sure. Probably not. Oh, it's very slow. Very slow. Just need to keep all contracts because we've got absolutely none. And then we'll just quick sell the whole pack. Yep. Unless that silver might sell for it. Much coins as nah, just quick sell it. Quick sell it, he's in a bad formation. And we've got 21k back. Not bad. Let's go for another 7.5. See if we can get our money back. So I'll just skip it. No. Well, I'll give the viewers something to look at. Pizzini. Ooh. Park. We just sold a Park, but not that one. Keep contracts in Pizzini. Pizzini might sell for a K. Mine. No, he's in a bad formation. Yeah, I'm leaving. How much did you buy him for in your Italian squad? Didn't have him. Did you? No. Alright. Very slow. Isn't it? Yeah. Keep all them. Just quick sell it. Quick sell rest. Right, not a great start. Probably get one after this, but that's about it. Oh my gosh, not even a shiny gold player. But we did get a Spurs away kit. Nice. Dial sell for much. Nah. Leighton Baines is in team of the season, but we can't get him because we're not lucky like that. We never are lucky. Oh, we could keep him because he's in our formation. I'd rather get K profit. Let's just sell it. 9k. Come on. Someone last pack. Good. Someone good. Come on. Please. Come on, EA, don't be faggots. And crap! EA trolled us again. But we did get an all injuries, and that might sell for a bit, so let's just put it up. Keep contracts. Who's that? Douglas. Crap piece. He's crap. You don't sell for it. Story contracts included. How much it goes down when you take a contract out? Good sell. Yeah. Right. That is it. If you are enjoying the videos, please like, subscribe. We'll be getting some more on trading tips. And that's it. So please like, subscribe, and give us a comment if you think we could do anything better. Yep, we've got Ibrahimovic injured. Goodbye.